Today, boys and girls and friends and lovers, I've done some plan elevation of some old breech pieces, sheet metal. Particularly I made these in for sawdust. Here we have a straight breech, which is off a circular base, equal thread, the true shape of the joint curve through there. If you follow the heavier outside lines and then you just chase through the lighter surface lines, and then in pencil behind the scenes I've got the development lines. That's just one type of breech. I have on the other side a much more highly efficient breech, one that's far better than the other one. Howdy gang, on this side I've got a far more efficient breech, again for sawdust. This breech has got a double rake in it, or hip, which you can see gives each leg far greater continuity in efficiency of pickup in both volume and hand speed efficiency. Got the true shape of the joint curve through here, this standing out like that. This true shape here is the one that stands out through here. Much more efficient with the double rake. Again, if you follow the outside lines, the heavier outside lines of profile, the lighter surface lines, and then in the background you've got your pencil surface lines. So there you go. Because if oils ain't oils, breeches ain't breeches. I did a breech once, a three-way, it was a three-legged one here, so your base and three legs, and I actually had a gusset cut in here as well. So all very interesting. All the old days gone by. And there we are. And guess what? Unlike online, I did it without rubber gloves or a texter. Geez, I'm good. See ya.